So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Reels in Instagram. So let's begin. So first of all, let me give you a short introduction what Reels is. So Reels is basically an update from Instagram, in which you can create videos same as you are creating in TikTok. Okay, you can increase your fan following using this Reels in Instagram. So I am going to show you how you can create your videos in Reels just like TikTok. So let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to open your Instagram, and let me just wait a second. So as our Instagram is open now, just click on this your story. Okay, so now as you can see, there is three options here. So there is live, there is story, there is Reels. Okay, the third one. So you need to just click on this Reels option. So as you can see, it's very new. Okay, it's a new update from Instagram. So just click on this get started. So as you can see here, there are so many options here like music, and this one is I guess speed, and this one is filters, okay, effects, okay, and this one is timer. You can, and this is the best thing I guess, which you don't get in TikTok I guess. So you can put a timer, like when you want to stop your video, like a recording. Okay, it will automatically stop whenever you want to whenever, like, you can set your time, okay, when the recording will stop automatically. So this is the best thing I guess. And the next one is here you have so many filters which you can try. So there are so many filters which Instagram is providing. So in upcoming days, Instagram will be providing more filters because it's just now launched. So Instagram will need to learn so many things. So after that there will be, oh, I'm sorry about this notification, I'm sorry. So yeah, there are so many filters which you can create. So just if you want to record, okay, just click on this central icon, okay, just the recording button, just click on it. And after when you click on it, okay, so it will start recording like what you are saying, and you can just record it your way. So it was too short, so let me just create it. So as you can see, our video is started recording, and if you want to pause, you can just pause it here, and you can just try any other filter just like you do in your typical TikTok video. So when your recording is finished, just click on this option called this one, okay, this arrow. So that means you have finished your video recording, and just click on this, okay. So it will just show you what you have recorded here. So as you can see, so this is very weird, so I will just click on this discard. And if you want to upload your already like pre-recorded video, so what you need to do is just click on this, okay. By clicking on this, you will have your recorded videos, and you can just click on this here, and you can just upload it in your Reels, okay. So this is how you create your Reels and in Instagram, and it is just like TikTok, and your Reels video will be coming on to the explore page. I will just show you how it comes. So just click on this search option. So as you can see, these are the Reels video, okay, Reel videos of like Instagram people. So people are providing it here, so you can just do that too. And these are all normal videos as we had before. So that's it for the video. And if you have any doubt, or if you want anything, if you want to know about anything about reels, so you can just comment down below. And I hope this video helps you out. If this video helps you out, then make sure you hit the like and let me know in the comments. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update.